I bought this one first and I will have to return it. Since I have both, let's do a small comparison. This one is not as big as the other one, which I will show you in a minute. It has 4 pipes, white, addressable RGB, the power cable, and we have also the ARGB cable. There are 2 of them which are plugged together because it has one light here and one light on the fan. This one is, whoa, it's way bigger. Let's compare it a little, you see. On the spec is written both have 120mm fan, but this one looks bigger. I don't know. Anyway, yes, both are listed as 120mm. Anyway, it doesn't matter, but what matters is not only of course, it may be a problem for you if you do not have a big case. Anyway, this one also is quite tall, so both of them will be an issue if you do not have enough room. Apart from the thickness, the difference is not that, I mean in size, the difference is not that big. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pipes. This one has only 4 and they are a bit thicker, still white. And there is this thing in the back which is quite interesting. You can redirect the exhaust. Let's say if I rotate it like this, the air will go on this side, like this below, if I put it like this above, and so on. Okay, you have seen the fans. Let's see what they come with. Thermal paste, backplate, which can be, yeah, you can move this one, you see, like this, which allows you to match the holes on the back of the mainboard, yeah. And this one, this is a double sticking foam, I don't know, something, which you can put it here. The middle one, you do not need the middle part, you just need the edge. You put it here, so just remember to put this on if you want to install it. And of course we have brackets for different sockets. There is one more thing which probably may be interesting for you if you do not have ARGB. This motherboard in the back, from the PC in the back, has ARGB, and I will show you. But if you do not have, this one comes with an ARGB controller. You see it has one SATA plug, attach it to your computer, and here you have the ARGB, and there is a button here. Yeah, it's not something that you can control with a software, but you have at least this. Let's go to the other one. Even the box is bigger, yeah. The content is pretty much the same. We have thermal paste, plastic showers, special screws, other type of bracket. Everything is written in the manual. There is a slight difference between them. Of course, this one is bigger, and probably that's why this one goes up to 200 watts TDP, and this one 230, just a second, 230 watts TDP supported, and this one 200 TDP. I will show you how both look connected to the computer and why I want to return this one. Probably it's a silly thing, but it's up to you to decide if it's silly or not. There is a slight beat to this one on low RPM, and also it's way louder on highest RPM. If you do not have ARGB, unfortunately with this one you will have to buy a separate controller. This one comes with it. However, it's not remote, it's just a button which will sit inside your computer and you will have to press on it. If you have AMD, you put the bracket like this and Intel will be shown. The important thing is for this part, you see it's different. For this part to be attached to the motherboard, and for Intel this part is attached to the motherboard. I hope you can see it. It's crazy. And if you have Intel, you put it like this and AMD will be shown. Okay, it's a bit confusing. Just remember that. Let's remove the original cooler, which was not bad. While playing, I was having some temperatures around 65 Celsius. Okay. You have to rotate it. Okay, let's apply the thermal paste. It comes with one small thingy. I cannot use this original, I have to use this confusing one. The part where it's written AMD, you have to attach it to the motherboard, yeah? So you will see Intel on the other side if you have AMD motherboard, and if you have Intel motherboard, you will see AMD on the back of it. We have 4 washers, plastic washers, and 4 screws. You see these screws have a thingy here, and you have to align them correctly, you see, this way. And with this washer, you keep them in place there. Okay, let's put the second one. My suggestion, if you are forced to mount it like this, you start from the upper side. This is how it should look. Okay, now we have this part with the help of these nuts. You have to use 2 hands to keep the backplate in place. And like this, yeah? Now another tricky part, not tricky, but you have to remember you cannot screw them because they are hidden, yeah? By this rotating thing and by the fan, yeah? So you have to remove it. It's very easy to be removed. You have these clips here, and that's it. This is one, and now the other one. And you have to put them back when you are done. Very important, please do not forget, you have to remove this. Please remove before installation. I've seen people not removing this one and the CPU was toasted. Okay, there was a different way to remove it, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, for this part you need a long screwdriver. Remember, this is the exhaust, this is the intake. Okay. So you have to screw it until it reaches the end. I cannot turn it anymore, this one and that one. Let me show you something which is quite important. As you can see, this case is perfect on the limit for this cooler. If you decide to buy one, make sure it fits your case. Okay, so let's put back these thingies. They go back the same way they went out. Easy. Unfortunately, I do not have 3 delete ports on the motherboard, so I'll use this one. This cooler is huge and it fits this case. What you are hearing now is actually those 3. Not the one in the back, and just a little the GPU because those fans are still spinning, but the CPU cooler, no problems with it. For software control, I use the ones provided by the motherboard. This is for the LED and this one is for the fan. I've created some configuration on which temperature levels to increase the RPM. It doesn't really need much RPM, the fan, to cool the CPU because it has that big grill. And here we have the software that I'm using for LED. Let's put it in sync mode. Yeah, and if I'm changing the pattern, yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, this is provided by the motherboard. I like to use it like this. Now you hear nothing because the GPU is the one that is making a lot of noise. These fans are still Enermax. The case is Enermax, the CPU cooler is Enermax, so all fans from this brand are very good. I have this case for about a year and I do not have any problems with any fan yet. I will let you know if I will have. Okay, perfect. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions and see you in the next one.